Great question. How would I build a review website with no code? I've actually built 2 already, and I'm going to show you how I did it. The first review site I own is ChicagoSpeakeasies.com. That's basically a review website for speakeasies in the Chicago area. I'm a big fan of bars like that, and I've been running that for a few years, and it has 3,000 visitors per month, which is really awesome. The second one is more relevant to what we're talking about today. It's beta.co. It's a new one that I've started. It's basically a review website for software to do all sorts of different things, usually no-code tools like the ones that I'm going to suggest you use today. And this one gets about 70 users per month, but it is pretty new. The tool that I use to build both of those websites is called Webflow.com. It's a really, really nice no-code website builder. It does take a little bit to learn, so if you're looking to build a really simple review website, something like a no-code list, like the one that I showed you, I have simpler tools to recommend. The other tool I'm going to recommend that is way, way easier to use than something like Webflow is Softer. It's much easier to update, much easier to work with, a lot less complex, and you're getting 90% of the same stuff. You just have a little bit less design control. This is what Webflow looks like behind the hood. Basically, it's just a kind of tree of all these different elements, as you can kind of see. You have a back-end system right up here of like CMS items. So these are all my actual reviews in a database, and those connect to the front end. It's pretty complex, but you do have a lot of control. But here I am on Softer. I'm just going to click Create a New App. I'm going to start with a template. I'm going to go to Directories, and then I have a whole bunch of different directory-style templates that I can use to list my reviews. I found a template called Leaderboard Website. That's what we're going to use. Click Preview, click Use Templates. You select where your data is stored. I'm just going to say it's stored inside of Softer itself, and then it's just going to build the template for me. I can start messing with it, editing it. Super cool. You can publish to a custom domain on the free plan of Softer, which is really rare. Most tools won't let you do that. You have a little database system back here. I just created a little blank table, and you can connect that to the front end right here, which you see on the actual like home page. It's super flexible. If you want additional tutorials on either Softer or Webflow, just let me know. Although I will say Webflow has a beautiful series of tutorials that I could not match. But let me know. Hope that's helpful. Hope that answers your question. Thanks for the comment. By the way, this is my link in bio, and if you want to check out Webflow, it's one of the tools that I regularly recommend. Adalo is kind of similar to Softer. It's a little bit more flexible, though. And if you want to check out my beta tool reviews, you can actually click Tool Reviews right here.